back everyone. Just turn the music down. I'm just up at the farm. I've got to collect a stand. One of my stands for me to go up to the other apiary to get some more hives on. But yeah, I'm going to take the panda down the bottom to get the stand and strap it to the roof. But I've just realised I've not brought me crossbars for the panda for the roof rack. But we'll just strap it to the roof. Hopefully we don't dent the roof. But yeah, anyway, right, you might have seen, done a couple of little posts. I'm going to do all the treasure fam stickers I've got from Marlon, from Mar Treasure Hunting, and tripwire stickers and everything. I'm going to stick them on all the hives, so it's like identification for the hives. So we'll have a tripwire hive, a Mar hive. We've already got a Rob Random hive. There's got to have some bees in it, and we've got a Stu's metal detecting hive. And someone else has reached out and wants to send some, oh shit, I stalled it, send some stickers to put on a hive. So it's kind of like, you know, get your stickers on the hive jobby. It's a bit different, isn't it? Oh, it's a bit bumpy. I don't know which way to go, because obviously me and Stevie War Wonder put up gate down near the trailer bees the other day, yesterday. Let's cross there. It's hardening up now, but it's bumpy, and I am getting so annoyed with this suspension on this panda creaking like it's got a canary stuck in there or something. Doing my head in big time. So if I go this way, I've got to open the gate. Oh look, he's had a little plough practice. There's a little ploughing in there. You could get the old detective in there. Yeah, we've been putting in, me and Stevie Wonder, we've been putting in wooden gates. Around this one, put another gate up there, keep it high. Yeah, it's dried out a lot. Hopefully we'll get through here, and then we'll go along and then yeah, pick up a stand, just see. Because I had a weird swarm in the garden. Well, I don't think it was a swarm actually. What it seemed like happened was the bees kicked their queen out because she weren't laying no eggs. So that's not good, is it? Look, I've just found my queen on the floor. These have tried to swarm. They've tried to swarm because there's the queen, look. So I think they've tried to swarm in the middle one. That's what it seemed like what happened. They just kicked her out. And we're like, get out of there, look. You ain't laying no eggs, you ain't in it. So what I've done is, because she was an old queen, is I've took Pinky's Love Shack, because that's got a queen in it and they were a little bit short on bees. So I took that queen away that they kicked out. I found her on the floor. I only noticed because of the red dot. So I've put, as the other gates look that me and Stevie Wonder did. Still got to do the other side. So yeah, anyway, I picked her up off the floor. I put her in the queen cage and took her away because obviously she's not laying eggs. She's probably a really old queen. Shame really, because she come from that really calm hive of buck-fast bees that we was trying to save. But anyway, I dispatched of her and then put all of the bees went into Pinky's Love Shack and probably some went into the other one. So they both had a little bit of a boost. But it's dried off loads. Can't go on the track though, because look how deep it is. I'll never get out of the track if I get in it. Although the panda would. Although I don't want to rip the exhaust off anymore, do I? Because Sounds like a fart box. Yeah, that one's bad root. Rabbits. Oh no, what that was hair, I think. See that on camera, what were that? I weren't looking. It was big and it ran fast. Be interesting to see if anything's been around the hives. Anyway, come back. Okay, so I've got the beehive stand. Them bees there, that bottom apiary are doing really well. So main losses were the ones that were on the trailer, which were the ones that come in late. We did what we could with them. Oh, look, a bit of plowy. Yeah, so and like I've lost three. I've lost 3 now this year. Well, last year and this year. So not too bad really. But I say, all the empty boxes, they'll get filled up soon because it's going to be swarming and stuff. So everything will be replenished, so to speak. But yeah, if you want to get in on the Treasure Fam Hive, send your stickers. I'll have to put my address up somehow, so you can send my some stickers if you want. They do seem to stick, although I noticed like the hologram ones didn't seem to stick at first, but then they you just got to get them on dead smooth. If you can hear my suspension, it is so annoying, it's unbelievable. I think I'm going to have no choice but to buy 2 rear springs, because I did the shock absorbers not overly long ago, so 2 rear springs should hopefully sort it out. And while I'm done that, I'll do the bushes as well. Back. I want a bit stiffer springs for the back really, because we're pulling the trailer. Yeah, these bees have suffered the most loss. Winter loss. The trailer bees. I need to come up tomorrow and check them 2 hives on this end, because I missed the queens last time and I put the excluders on, so I might be trapped in the super, so I'll do that tomorrow. If it's nice and warm like today, today's been lovely. This is a bit. Although we flattened it out a bit with a tractor. Not much so, eh? Pick the root. Got my pandas in city mode. Oof, that's like you can switch. Oh sugar. Oh sugar. You can switch this power steering on and off. I've got it switched on in a minute. Usually I have it switched off. It's like electronic. But yeah, I need an exhaust flexi to fix the exhaust, or a new exhaust, and then I need 2 rear springs, and I'll say I'll do the bushes as well. So it's had springs and pushes. I mean, it should be nice and quiet, panda, not